Jamaica has long been a powerhouse in track and field, dominating sprints and relays. But now, some of its top field event athletes, Rajindra Campbell, Roje Stona, Jaydon Hibbert, and Wayne Pinnock, have switched allegiances to compete for Turkey, leaving fans in shock and raising questions about the future of Jamaican athletics. With the upcoming Tokyo World Championship on the horizon, this dramatic shift could leave a lasting impact on Jamaica's track and field legacy. So, is this the end for Jamaica field events? Let's find out. The sport of track and field is not as lucrative, and athletes are often motivated to make more money beyond just a shoe contract. Over the years, athletes aim to become the best in the world in the sprints, hurdles, distance, jumps, and throws. The Olympic is known as the pinnacle of track and field because of the prestige it brings with being called an Olympic champion. Most fans of track and field often look forward to watching the 100 meter for the winner to be declared as the world's fastest man or the world's fastest woman. Beyond those events, viewership tends to decrease, and one section of athletes who do not get enough viewership are field event athletes. This could be due to the limited airtime given to those athletes. But it causes some big issues for these athletes since they don't get enough recognition. Jamaica was given the name of the world sprinting capital due to its athletes' dominance at the 2008 Beijing Olympics and 2009 Berlin World Championship. The island's success has led its track and field product to grow, as many world athletes such as Kim Collins, Zarnell Hughes, Anthony Strawn, and Shade Williams have visited the land of wood and water to train, all of whom have been successful in the sport. But at the 2015 Beijing World Championships, Jamaica's Odain Richards was able to earn a bronze medal in the shot put. 4 years later, at the 2019 Doha World Championships, Tajay Gayle won gold in the long jump, Daniel Thomas Dodd earned silver in the shot put, Shanika Ricketts earned silver in the triple jump, and Frederick Dakers earned silver in the discus throw. This showed that Jamaica could be dominant in the field as they were on the track. However, this did not seem like a wake-up call for the Jamaican Federation. The 2024 Paris Olympics saw Jamaica get one of its lowest medal hauls of 6 medals, 4 of which came across the field events. Roje Stona won gold in the discus throw, Shanika Ricketts earned silver in the triple jump, Wayne Pinnock earned silver in the long jump, and Rajindra Campbell earned bronze in the shot put. This was quite shocking because it was the first time that Jamaican field event athletes had outdone track athletes at a major championship. The 2025 Jamaica National Championship was shaping up to be extremely competitive in the field events, but Roje Stona, Rajindra Campbell, Wayne Pinnock, and Jaydon Hibbert have switched allegiance to Turkey. The athletes mentioned are expected to earn at least $500,000 and will be able to compete for Turkey within the next Olympic year, which would be 2028 in Los Angeles. Jamaica is expected to have a tough time dominating this year's Tokyo World Championship because most of their athletes have not looked well when compared to the rest of the world. This does not look good for Jamaica, but the country has shown its resilience time and time again. While this shift in allegiance may seem like a setback, Jamaica's track and field legacy is far from over. The future remains bright for Jamaica, with new stars ready to rise and inspire the world. Let's keep our hopes high, support our athletes, and look forward to the next chapter of Jamaican track and field as they prove once again that they can overcome any challenge. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about the exodus of these top Jamaican field event athletes to Turkey? Do you believe Jamaica can recover from this shift? Or is this the beginning of a new era in track and field? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Also, check out our video on the Oslo Diamond League 2025 review. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest news in Caribbean sports, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next video. We appreciate your support, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.